In this video, we are going to do a short recap on the topic of strings. We have been using the strings right from the first program, where we have started by writing as hello world. And knowing the concept of string manipulation is one of the key things for any learner who wants to have a career in data science. Now, let's start with creating the string formally. We can create a string by enclosing the characters inside a single quote or double quotes. Both are same, it's just your personal preference. Now, let's see the slicing of strings. Let's say I have a string like this. X is equal to manifold space AI space learning. We can access the individual characters using the indexing. And we can also extract the range of characters using the slicing. The index starts from 0. Yes. To give an example, let's say we want to access the character L which occurs in the word manifold. So it is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, 6th index. To access the character, we will call it like this. String variable with required index number enclosed within square brackets. So it would be x of 6 which is enclosed in square brackets. Once I execute the code, we are able to access the character L. We can access the range of characters by mentioning the start and the end of the range with its index number. Suppose I want to access the word manifold. For that, I'll call as x of 0 to 8. We got the output as manifold. Remember, when we enter this range, that is 0 to 8, the Python will consider as up to 8th index and not including the 8th index. So let's take another example. If I want to access the word AI, then I'll enter as x of 9 to 11. This will access the characters in 9th and 10th index, but not the 11th one. Got it? I hope you are now clear with the concept of indexing and slicing. We will use the len method to return the length of the string. So it would be len of x. We use the split method to split the strings into substrings. Let's say I have a is equal to hello, how, r, u with the comma separated between them. We can split into substrings like this, a dot split of comma which are enclosed within single quotes. So this will separate the string into substrings. Lastly, we'll look at the operations in strings. We have many operations that can be done on strings. Let me show some. Let's see concatenation. That means joining two or more strings into one. Let me write it like this. str1 is equal to hello, str2 is equal to John. So, print of str1 plus str2. If I execute this code, we'll get the output as hello John. And we have the asterisk operator which can be used to repeat the strings for a given number of times. Let's say I write it like this, str asterisk 3. So this will repeat the str1 string 3 times. Strings also allow in operator in it. This checks and return the boolean output like this.